Ata!
Ayan.
No, like 10:30. Yeah. Yeah, you can. Yeah. No problem.
Kasya. Sabi mo kay Kayo, langoy na lang sila pagka umabot na.
Masya ba tayo?
Bawal mo. Ayun, para mag-isip. Sabi 10:20. Yes, 10:30 na lang.
Hal, picture daw si Mama Stolen, Hal. Picture daw si Mama Stolen. Stolen. Saan tayo? Hindi sila umano. Tara na.
Yan, baba na tayo. Umalis na. Ang sabi.
Malayo pa. Yun nga tayo, so kasya tayo. Yan na yun? Hindi, yung kulay dilaw na parang ferry naman. Dapat dala ko yung fishing rod ko, nakagano'n na ako. Pansi lang. Sige, baka na yung bag mo. Ayan na, ayan na.
Ay, saan ba tayo sasakay sa ganun lang?
Baka umabot ng Selkirk to. 35 minutes. Ito yung mo di abot ng naman.
Welcome aboard. How many people do we have? Is it a private tour? You got the whole boat?
Yeah.
Oh, are we all from Winnipeg, or is anybody
Yes.
visiting from out of town?
All from here.
Everyone's from Winnipeg.
First time to ride this. That's why.
Yes.
Me too.
Yeah, it's the whole family first time to.
Beautiful.
We
Behind the green bridge back there. You gotta look through the snow. There's a green bridge. And that's where it flows into the Red River. We'll go there in a bit. First, we're gonna turn the breeze up.
Winnipeg Road
completed in 1919 after 7 years of construction, dragging slabs of Tyndallstone from the rock quarries an hour north of the city that are all still being used. This huge belt of limestone that formed under the massive glacier that used to cover. The Golden Boy was made in France and put on a boat.
But what it symbolize?
It's based on the Greek god Hermes in 1885 for high treason, but he's regarded as a hero and the founding father of Manitoba. Just last year, the provincial government finally got around to declaring him the first official premier of the province of Manitoba. And we'll see. And the spring of 2022, we couldn't fit under these two bridges until early June. So we couldn't come this way.
Oh, because of the high tide like that?
Now, a massive rail yard back in the late 1800s, early 1900s. They had 24 different rail lines from across the U.S. and Canada, using Winnipeg as a transfer hub. It was the central transfer hub for all of North America in that, you know, the south, the north, the east, the west. Pretty wild. They'll find in a single layer of artifact, they'll find shells from the Gulf of Mexico sitting right beside shells from the west coast. And this river begins down in the U.S. at the meeting of the Bois de Sioux and Ottertail rivers along the Minnesota. Oh, the dragon boats! Yeah, they're still around, but they don't do the races here anymore. Around the bend, that way. Yeah, on Churchill Drive. There's like a canoe club over there. Yeah. So just off of South Osborne on Churchill Drive. Yeah, you'll see. I'm not sure when they do the actual race. There's the Canadian.
Sa ilalim ka na ng bridge ha.
What's the story about the human rights building? They said there's a shape symbolized.
Well, the glass part around the backside is like the wings of a dove, kind of wrapped around the body.
Okay. Oh, okay.
And then you have the Tower of Hope in the middle, and then the whole north side is all the same limestone from those rock quarries that built the legislative building 100 years earlier. Tyndallstone.
Are those stones here in Manitoba or somewhere?
This is all going to change dramatically in the next few years. This whole Alexander Dock area, new usable public dock. Behind you, you see up in the between the trees there's a little white cross holding up the Canadian flag. That's been the
Hi!
Mama yung mabagal.
Parang may snow ah. Winter ba han? Winter na. Gabi kasi tayo nagpupunta eh.
Ano lang sa may train?
Tutur ko kayo to your left.
Tours. Mamaya pa kami mga
Ano yan?
It's your left side.
12.
Ah, okay.
Mga 12, 20
It's the right side.
Hindi hanggang 12. Ano lang.
Nakapila sila.
Human rights.
Iya, pero ako nung ano mo.
Nandun kay mama, sa pag ni mama. Uy.
Hanggang ngayon?
Ano na kayo? 360 ba yan?
Teka lang. 360 ikot?
Ikaw ikot.
Isusundan ka lang namin.
Oh, saan na kayo? Ang tagal nyo eh.
Susundan ka lang namin.
Ako lang
Hindi
yung...
naman kami umihikot.
Ako lang yung umihikot. Ang daya nyo.
Loko mo kami. Good. Baksak sa ulo mo yan, oh. Pahinga ka siguro 2 months. Saan mo ba gusto mo? Chiksilong ka lang pala ako. Chiksilong sa akin. Kali ka lang, pwede na ako.
Okay.
Kali ka lang, pwede na ako.
Order. Ha?
Hot silog.
At silog din.
And chick.
And chick. At chick yung silog ka din.
Are you getting kikiam?
Kumuha na ka dalawa.
Wala tayong lumpia.
Ay, spring rolls.
What's PG rolls? What's in a PG roll? What's in
Saan yun?
a parental guardian?
Ay, hindi ko alam. Sana pa kita.
Yun ang baguhin mo.
You know, what I go to.
Okay, good. Dalawang box sila.
Naka-charge ka naman din. Ay, dahil lang pala. Tato.
Subuhan mo si Che. Hindi, subuhan mo. Father's Day. Very good.
Thank you. Ito lang, tikman mo. Tikman mo na. Solid din. Kasi tapos taba nga lang. Iyat-iyat yan. Tato, sarap. Ang lambot. Hindi lang ako nakakain ng tato.